You know that securing your web applications is critical, but you need a solution that lets you deploy securely without slowing you down or adding complexity to your deployment workflow. Introducing FortiWeb Cloud WAF-as-a-Service. This SaaS cloud-based web application firewall protects web applications from zero-day threats and application layer attacks. Its hassle-free cloud service eliminates the need to deploy and manage your own WAF VMs or containers, easing resource constraints with a simple subscription-based model. Pay only based on what you use. FortiWeb SaaS is a cloud-native solution deployed in the same AWS region as your own application. With its built-in setup wizard, you're up and running in just minutes. FortiWeb SaaS is a completely cloud-based solution activated via the AWS Marketplace, meaning there is no costly hardware or software to maintain. Capacity planning is all managed by Fortinet. If you deploy your application in the same AWS region, you enjoy additional benefits. As a cloud-native service deployed in the same region as your AWS deployed application, you benefit from low latency, a consistent compliance environment, and in-region data transfer rates. Discover how easy it is to protect your applications with a free trial for FortiWeb Cloud WAF-as-a-Service. Go to fortiweb-cloud.com and click on the 14-day free trial button to get started today.